Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Agri-Tech Sunicons. An RBI paper titled Agri-Tech Startups and Innovations in Indian Agriculture highlights the rise of 19 Agri-Tech Sunicons and 40 Minicons in India, leveraging emerging technologies for business growth. The paper underscores India's potential in agri-tech innovation supported by government initiatives and increasing investor interest. Now, before moving on to next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes are now in Noida, Sector 15. Not Mukherjee Nagar. Noida is the new UPSC hub. Mukherjee Nagar nahi, chale Noida. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP. Near Noida Sector 15 Metro Station. For location, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call us at 9311 406 440. If you would like our counselors to call you back, please fill out the form provided in the description. Now moving on to key insights from the RBI paper. Startup ecosystem. India has 19 Sunicons, that is startups nearing unicorn status, and 40 Minicons, that is early stage startup. Only one unicorn exists in India's agri-tech sector. Global funding trends. India's share in global agri-tech funding stands at 8.5% behind the US with 43.2%, China 14.4% and Canada with 12%. Funding peaked globally at $10.9 billion in 2021 to 2022, declining to $5.2 billion in 2023. Investment growth. Indian agri-tech investments rose from $370 million in 2019 to $1.25 billion in 2021 before slowing. Now let's discuss about challenges and recommendations. Key challenges: insufficient funding for scaling operations, fragmented land holdings, limited technology adoption, and long timelines to achieve revenue generation. Future outlook: scaling depends on modern technology adoption by farmers and strengthened collaborations between startups, government, and investors needed for sustainability. Now is the time to test your knowledge. Which country leads in global agri-tech funding share? China, India, US, or Canada? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.